Hello viewers, my name is Brother Prince and I am a motivational speaker. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rena TV, for more powerful motivations and inspiration. I am here to share with you how to make things right. How to make things right in your life. There are a lot of things in life we are unable to do. And today I'm going to speak with you, or I'm going to motivate with you with how we could make things right in our life. And I have 7 things that we could follow to make our life right. And one, I talk about do things in the correct way. And anytime you want to do things, you need to do it in the correct way, the right path. Follow the right instructions. Follow the right path. Sometimes when you want to do things, you want to do in your own will. You don't sit down to decide that it's what I'm doing the right way, is what I want to do the right path, is what I want to do the right way to do it. You don't think, you don't make this decision, and you always do and fail. When you want to do things or you want to do anything and you don't sit down to make a correct decision or right decision, you will end up failing. This is the reason why we always fail and we don't have success in whatever we do. But when you sit down and you look at where you want to go or what you want to do, you will see that whatever you do will be in success. Do things in the correct way and let it be a motivation in your life, and you will always succeed. And 2, believe in yourself. Do you believe in yourself? Things you do you believe in yourself? You don't believe. Believe that whatever you want to do is going to be right. When you want to do anything and you don't believe in yourself, it cannot succeed. Sometimes you criticize on your own self that, this I cannot do. It's so difficult because one of my friends did and it did not succeed. Are you the same relation with your friend or the relative that did and was not being able to succeed? No. You have your own goal. You have your own achievement. You have your own success. Do not compare your success with other people, because everyone has his own achievement. Never compare your success to anyone's. Believe in yourself that you can also do it. In the next 2 years, in the next 1 year, you can page it, list it, that in this 1 year, 2 years, you're going to achieve this. And whatever you want to do, with a belief, you can also do it. 3, follow different steps to reach your goals. When you want to achieve, or if you want to make things right, you must follow different steps to reach your goals. You must not follow one step to reach your goal. Follow a step of motivating yourself. Follow a step of taking a right way. Follow your step of increasing your belief in doing things. Whenever you want to do things and you don't have motivation, trust yourself, believe yourself, you cannot do it. You must take different steps to do things. It will help you to move towards what you want to do. Also, 5, have a mindset of winning. Anytime you wake up in the morning, anytime you want to do anything, have in your mind that you are a winner. You are always a winner. A winner never fails. A winner never fails. A winner always do things and win. Whenever a winner want to do anything, he has the mindset that this or what I want to do, it is difficult, but I will win. When you have this mind, everything you want to do is going to succeed. It's going to be succeeded, and you are going to be a winner always. And 6, don't always say, I am trying, but say to yourself, I can do it. Whenever you want to do anything, say to yourself, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. But don't say to yourself that I'm trying. You could see so many people, when you ask them to do something, they will tell you, oh, I don't know how to do it, but I'm trying, No, say, I can do it. With this motivation, with this power, with this zeal, with this eager, you're going to succeed in whatever you want to do. Have the zeal that you can do anything. And this will make it right. And that will make it right for you. And my last is 7, that is train your mind to receive positive thinking. You must train your mind to receive positive thinking. This will enable you to be effective. And whenever you want to do things, positive things or positive thoughts will come in your mind. And you will be blessed through positive thinking. Never allow your mind to think wrong or unpositive things or negative things. No. Let your mind be trained with positive things, positive imagination, and your life is going to be changed. My name is Prince Winner or Brother Prince. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm going to share with you more motivation and powerful inspiration. My number is found on the YouTube. You can also call me or WhatsApp me or join my platform. I've also shared my motivational group on my YouTube channel. You can also join me for more powerful inspiration and powerful videos. And your life will never be the same. My email is also found over there, fancy2@gmail.com. You can also join me there or interact with me for more powerful videos. May God bless you for having time. Your life will never be the same. God bless you. Bye.